Hello, welcome back to LIVENODING. So while we are hot with the instancing and geometry nodes, so let's continue. We're still gonna use point cloud objects, and this time we're gonna try to scatter these point clouds into this cube. So by default, the cube doesn't have a lot of points to work with, so I'm gonna subdivide it very quickly using subdivide modifier, simple, subdivide it 5 times, and then Command A to apply. So now we have a lot of points to work with. We can now go to weight painting and try to draw something here. And this is going to be used to scatter our instance objects. Okay, so let's save this for now. So what we just did here just now is the weight painting, and by default it's named group. Okay, so file, save as. This is going to be point distribute. We're gonna use that weight informations inside geometry nodes. Select our point cloud, assign a modifier, and we have geometry nodes. Now we can distribute some points. Geometry, and we're gonna use group. So, but our point cloud doesn't have weight information, so we're gonna use object info, grab our cube, and pipe that geometry objects. So now you can see we can scatter points on our cube. Okay, so paint weight. So this thing is quite powerful, and in a lot of cases it's almost like a way to quickly scatter objects. If you are doing like a set dressing, very often you will need this kind of tool. So this is still like a basic, but still really powerful because you can do it really fast now. So point cloud is now scatter, and as we learn what we have learned the other day, we can actually just copy paste or just import, but I'm just gonna do it again. Instance, we're gonna use we can use donut, we can use icosphere, we can actually use Suzanne. It's doesn't matter, I think it should be pretty fast. Make this smaller. Point cloud, use Suzanne, type in the geometry. So we have now Suzanne. Suzanne is not on the original space, that's why it's a bit off. Anyhow, we got the idea. Suzanne face, Suzanne head, and point cloud, and we want to randomize the rotations and scale. Okay, you know the drill. Random attribute, rotation. So apparently with the rotations, Suzanne need to be centered properly. Okay, so now it's looking better. And if you use color on Suzanne, you can randomize it also, but for now, don't worry too much about it. So okay, so we managed to randomize and distribute Suzanne head on this mesh. So what else can we do? Nothing much, but however, with a weighting, we can actually use dynamic paint. Okay, so that's also kind of like a nice little trick, almost hidden, but Blender has something called anyhow. So dynamic paint, you can use dynamic paint to draw vertex weight on the fly, and it will update into the point instancing. So point distribute. Hopefully I saved it. Okay, file, save as. So I need to be careful because still this is alpha after all. So dynamic to work. If you try, maybe in the next video I will use it with dynamic paint, so you can paint the thing on the fly, and you can use the dynamic paint attribute. All right. So thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.